1. Let's go.
What up, everybody? You know what's on the football manga, Mr. O. Aubreaction, we are back again with another meet and chill. Hey man, Sangams Nangamaduba at the back, Renamawu, the Ziggy Smalls, who's an answering with actually pop, I just pop in. Renew the number of Tatanga Panda, Ugola space. Back. And then our guest, Dana Musarina, and ASA TEE. What I mean?
Nindisha Buma. When you were right?
Nindisha Buma. They were imbi, but vip.
Asim rap and imbi.
The muim.
The muim.
And
no, Marandi Jena can rap and get us rap. I'm right over you stay, and I'm trending as about Kano. That's what I was no man. My voice is too sweet for rap.
Zikambazon Adoba Abo here, Dabare.
Yeah, that's anybody about rap. I don't know what I see.
Yeah, man. Like, how would you describe yourself?
ASA TEE, ASA kundi mrauzi zina. Ni Zorana madara ni neighboring village ya Aubrey ngava.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, interview is divano.
Ayo, asi divano.
Ndichandangu
Neighboring village.
Echozi. Ndikobona niko pop up, nanyango pop up.
Milioni nenye mnaona matina.
Yeah man, undiamboli ASA TEE onovagaine. So tell me, ala niko budzane soti or is what kind of music do you do like? How would you describe your music in fact?
Me adore mean. Unazo no fi Ven R&B.
Oh, Venda R&B.
Ven R&B. Ven pop.
R&B Mangenge.
But nandi nisoko diba hip hop. Ako interview no interview.
Rhythm and blues. Zokambore ndiwana rhythm blues ndomba the
feelings down, yeah.
Also wemba R&B wo.
Yeah, ngori ntechereze muzika wodo toma anepo Ndo Neta dzikolira ngapa mravo raba na mina zote ndiri nyimbo zote dzanga ndipa ndikoto express a feeling through music ngazivisa zvezo yeah ndakazo ndichindi ndi Ven R&B ngasiri Ven rap ngorati rap zvinoti ndizvo ndikachivenda ona Ven R&B mara kari iyo yeah mara chivenda
iko banga chivenda yeah before china kamusika mapunga muzika manje ne nakusumbeso no zama urapa zabara na yakao imba zwatenda right but if na imba zibare and if it wasn't for music, nada nikuita menza zvino zvabude kuti.
Vanhu vari kuita zvizve zvara programmer zvone savana samwana mchumutsu. Ndi yashikoro. Mwana mchumutsu o programmer for yashikoro. Yeah,
mara gudiwa msia.
Iko good.
Zadizwa ba.
Good.
Traffic pasiwa mzazi mapunga.
Yeah, yo
pasiwa bonga fast tire. Abeba tu basha waimba. Mutasha waimba ngachivenda ngolo English ikokona.
Ikokona no paza.
Ndikuimba Ven pop kana Ven R&B ngolo ndifuna chivenda. Hey.
But nechikwati kono ba. Yeah, you are no mara.
Yeah man, okay, so zvinozva case ngosumbeso like rather than kuda chikoro na mino but yo man atohamba like mushumo okay ndazoshuma 9 to 5 ndodera business like if mushumo what kind of a job
ne ndo tingotovala muthu ndombodisa kwaba into music kuverisa uvakhazi education ndibizoita mdzini ngadori ndovanga into talent yemdzimbaneke dzayono kuverisa education na mina zvote because isikadzwa mutungure izvo gurumiwa pinya kwami even pilot even dokotera even mini mizhe ngoroko ndori ngobonori tamdzini na notanyisa zvone kana tarapisa zvone zvikaniso rini vedokotera kana mina zvote but then nenda satuvake izvo zvipi ndiro izvo zvori unoenda kuaudiswa zvone ndikokudzo mina zvote atituva sure nadova mini ngori now as I'm talking ndikuita public relations no public relations ndikuita ngori related na zvanga zva career muzika so ndanisongotokera ndangona mushimo mini ngasibvapo kuvanga machironi ngori namutu vane vanga nadokotera over dokotera ngori yanika ufika vedokotera kwateredza noya mushimoni na mina zvote so yeah
okay mara zoniya katarana kana kuchi
ndiyakonoridza nyana keyboard ndogudiswa ngamdu kana vanga vala
nyana ufinyana soma notanga kofi vani K1 arwa K ya uvira na K ya uvira manotinga izo ndiyakonori lese ndina rwimbo kana ndikosokopfa ndiyakonosikana itaka keyboard lazvinadimbera kufana na
Ndo Neta ile yangu ya msindi ndo the emotional lera irizo toma ndoro diridzela zvino sikana ka mediation ndari muna ari track na mina zote na mudiridza na panga melody na mina zote na track ndana jar player ndido mguda ndori yemo ditwa nga khali ngori ene ufara dzikhodo dza shapo pirisana mara ndo to wanazo ndato to wana idi na jar player hey ndi top dog yeah Oblindies
so ezini kwamba mtoto nga jar player ni manzo ngochuo ndizo kiliwa yala rena abe ana madoto ambango even namsini afuna kana ni phone ti na mbanzake na mwo mutu ndi dota ndamana abo mu boda
ngongwela na mina zote asuri uchuva kana mina zote I know uri jar player boy wala muna ugudu ma uva karago fine ndigo rector ku jar player unogoresa bathu banji ba big damani ngandero zipfula muna
nedama nanga madzina kuva ndoziyamba kala treke ya ntu kunda vale body beggar ramzina ntu ndoziyamba aziyashabwa mbozi nene mune wali mbozi
wala muna ongwela so big mara nena jar player rara oboka risidiamba kazi davidzana rodiro wanano ra jar player ASA TEE warepola ma utazote la man so richamba ravana bushaka bula ngona mutane no mdowera ndi onto ba wa choose kesara choshi matereke I know neuna zvinenda kona zone zvine fene dzanga dzamfunira zone avana zvine jar player bamfunira zone so ndike richi blend zambori rikotangana fene dzanga na jar player ngange nendiko vanga vako for una ASA TEE ngange dzindatangana so vasangurochiwa devengu aratopana style chiri sho imba jar player una chawo cha unique ine chene chava dope nanenda avana changa chine chava dope at the other side so vasangurochiwa ndazori nende dwandi komukunda kazvipiyo eno donkunda kazvipiyo so atitopa challenge the way
udotovone bathu vafonda vadononso kundeswa nyika
vadozivona
ini not artist ipionisha mtoko na zibona you know what I can do this
ungasidza ndahamba ndari ndichitoma ndari ndinyango repa ndakufuna repa but anga cool fail cool fail wa mrepa damani mara ndacheza mini ka cool fail ndori ndichiko zvezvo ndikotengesa muzika cool fail udzira ana like una content damani like una mredza zvabudzi kana kuti kutozviamba zvabudzi zvinoenda kunyango zviambisa zone aso kuimba just udadza furi ukochinjisani style ukochinjisani rhyme na flow na mina zote urerori deliver a message through music wawe now wezwa kari go feel love song on the love song umwana ukokodiyo ukobudza mapunga pu so ila suna ndiko zvifuna ngamanda na mdia ndachitama cool fair
so I want to check out the type of music that you do is R&B ngonde R&B ndi abathu bafumakadzi like the fans the majority of the fans like that ngongwana really like hapo zino like it's like music porn like bro even I'm sure on TikTok on his TikTok I'm sure like 95% of them comment ndibaza so I'm sure when I girlfriend, right?
Yeah, I do.
So,
You're girlfriend.
God, how many?
Ziggy, you're girlfriend.
So, then I go sorry. Awamutani. But you want to comment in the bottom of my cards, like on Facebook, everybody's girls, like whatever you do, like your majority of friends, and those deep and the bottom of my cards. I'm Angela Sina. It's new messages of
cool. Ningari karo ko video cheese no go di seisana waba no feira you feira roba rolling ezo bara bunji adori ngari 70% kana dori 80 ya relationship izo feira wadzanga zibazi kufeira ngantani yazo yezo kozara akono handle that pressure yori udori days akuchimbira nasoko braze ante asa mina zote
awono kodona ko mufira ASA TEE
kari bazana mafuna mapungo o stock at the comment ara ko stock comment yako go through the profiles ai wadona ko biza about bonaka na mina zote oh you baby you see so the baby baba na vivo tineshwa mani bafuma kazi bodora
but how are you like kind of situation is for you ziyafana zikuite yaziphi
ngasiru ziyafana na mina zo kipinga ziyanga affect nonori muthu ana ko baro handle that pressure muthu ndo expect support yawe nga ndira ya ngamanda kusupport because expect support ngamanda but then ene zwine ndava zwone because music ndi zvine ndava zwone zviko ukobhayiro zvitanganira zombo ukobhayiro tanganidza ngori ndi music uneso ukobhayiro tanganidza zvine ndava zwone so
ene vaniko munjisa VIP pinga mahara mwana so VIP pinga mahara yeah man. Let's talk about like since we got the R&B it's not like okay vaimbi va Venda ne ndito zambisa ngene ndira ngondo kwamba na mimbo wa Venda ngamanda ka muzika wanu wa R&B zviyakonda kuti msimu wa mimbo akwa national ako achiko divya nationally ngamanda ne banga Venda you can talk about una rhymes but uimba nga English right most of his music like 90% of his music in the English and then that got him national right so tibenya ngozo inifunga uboko konda mini ori muimbi ononga yini ononga Razie jar player ngwana like all those kind of artists onemba muziko nemba wone Romeo the Great White vadhani vachikosuka ka national ngamanda onemba ngachivenda
uyangani ishina kuyamba ndo nisedza ndikosedzera for the sake ya career ngana mina zoti wona ngari vunja vantu vane vavakobhayirwa uva national nduri unganoro mutu kuita sound ya R&B achikonya go sounda sa mwe mutu wa national so immediately kana go pinde ndifene ndifene ya Justin Bieber international ndifene ya Justin go to R&B South Africa ngodara kana rose ndifene ya Justin Bieber so nasikana ono na mutu wa Venda ane zvinya vakuimba ugo nyago sounda sa Justin Bieber
anomuamba ndinyeno unotsvanya
atimbi ndikotohamba raundo runa mutu
the thing is the guy ori ubona kuti zvikoriswa nga ori hezva so and una vanona kuimba nga
ndisongo no ati kunyago panya madzina vantu
imba ndorini nambora nanyamba
so ndikopindura mbudziso
ndiwana zvivona mwabvisa bifi number 1 Ndo Neta ifi Ndo Neta ngizvidiwo Ndo Neta nikonyamba vuvi chavuya kamusi auya mwa kamusi kange jani player na unakwambore etinanda kono Venda vambenga ndori ndi Venda vayambenga abantu meri zvuya
Poko imberera nengazi
Tenrepi na voramzo kamba ori ndi muvenga but it's not enough
so kamba zvenisori kari kupinde ndifene ya Justin Bieber then vanhu namwe mutu wa Venda vele ndiori ndimuthu wa local so ndingombona kuti akwana mina tamani musiyo ulimbo lwawe uri kufanana ya ulimbo lweni ndarufa gai na mina zoti eno kurimba ngachivenda so zambori ndikotochoose between holani ndamuteve ami ndamudipandikare nawoyu and zvakumba ndingasichoose copycat over original you see so ndiyamboni muzika udorisika ka vantu vasafamba kusokonyama azviafana ndiulawotsvera you see so ndibona kare because angavaita nyana zvizo to DJ man not professional DJ yeah vakadiva skoro yeah vakadiva skoro DJ as DJ or DJ vanobori vafuna muzika
vanofuna muzika ndizo zvinonga zvomalima vako DJ ningeka live dzavo and everything like they just love music
vochilana magenge avo vanazo zvazvimixara fo vone namajita avo vakudiridzera vakumixa namina
but sinonikwamba va DJ let me just ask you this question kanji musimwana achienda zva muzika hainidzi yavo uyange but hey hai andira muzika ini ndoda hezva so you have to nonyaka ukusa something like how was it at home because your father loved music
okay nendichichometa zoimbera baba is around baba Jobeke namina vapima ana mukuru anga then avangovuya vavuva timuyenda tangana vela zofi isongoita namina zote wimbo ranga rotomatoma ndichimba ndandomwaira mukano fiselbi wamunimba wanga utomwana ndikorepa namina zote we love song pasikana vapisa nemukeguru ndimtuku I think ndinawo 13 years inochochipinga ndikusikana vapisa ndorikoda treke ndasikana vapisa ndari kamabvi apa ndikubvarepa vapfe ndikuimba pepi ndamufuna then makuru anga avangovea kubva ponsema vari hai songoyanaimba mi bozviyamba zvakuti ngokona na mina zothe mara at least imbani zwithu zwine zwa avhongorwa nazo okay ari nkhari ngofuna zwa lufuno zwimbeni mara songo ḓalesa vone itani muledza kha vhathu vhane na ngo tshila nawo kana imbe ni rap ine gospel way do lingedzo rap ine gospel way ni mbono zwi ḓo balana na mina zwo avhongo ya bva against like ubva tshikha thomu yeah I tried it nga tshila tshifhinga tsha ku vamba I think ndi nga tori 2 years later na buditengo just uri nditakadze
recently ari na track ya gospel
no atina ndito vana ingene feel that break EP yo fira hapa story I do gospel straight is more like inato ndi mleza nangelekezo ati dini ngakumera khani
inspiration
EP yo bangazi 8 zamaji
we're going to talk about that
namwa
okay how many songs
5 songs 5
songs any features
no
oba yeto muna kubala bala yeto
ndakubala
perform no for Mangenge
mna show I know
when catch a verse imbe verse ya mumwe
I know feel that feel like doesn't go tamba
ka EP ya video soko tamba
go tamba so elana feel that I pray muthu angazvifura mntu kana una bukereki una bu Christianity ngomukhayo mara aituva ngasituri ndi gospel song to I was like mdzimu ndiko rabela
na sasa una bukereki ngomukereke na imbange kana ni vangu rotaira vamwe kuimba zya konde that
no azikondi miasikona mara tezeduri azvi ndika limwe shango ila sinzinye shango ya la muzika uverine uni nga Friday ngotova ningo imba chipotoni nga Saturday ngotova nikuimba pakani resort nga Saturday ni reza la kerekeni na mina zunga azitangane zvifuri na atione
man nanda tomoni pfanga track no kuzo Ndo Neta right Ndo Neta ndicho tomoni pfanga ndo ibona video ya mumtano fi alert ajibala video yone yakutenda zvakuti
yo trenda yo
ichiko disomeza nezvidivo Ndo Neta so nyoro dozo rimbo rufranga manzo personal banyo pfanga ini muno zvakuti rimbo ro dahani zvakuti was it is this something that happened or also zira tufu kumwaliwa
oya rimbo okay now ndiko ambore entiana msindia special
okay
dingare ndiko boda
tindia bribe ndia angasi bribe
ndiko boda
special
ndiko boda la zvabukuma roro choma ka interview yana boda limundu baka ka Facebook na vedzana ndona delete
okay
ratreke ndisiimba vathu vaitekeresa ngandire yopambana ivile nane muzika wanga vunji atinyaguri nendichikoimba uve uchitwanga wotosedza kane straight kana mini ndimbotinyaguri mumwe na mumwe zvine ini ngorufa uve na chitori chine adori later nisatu times ningopfuri okay ila zvola mndu kana mina vode muna mumwe ave na chitori chavo so but ndikela tereke me nasekwamba ngamusidzana kila tereke Ndo Neta tovore vatipenda vafeatura vari vachipfa vehuku navhese vapfuri vambodirilated akasuzva ibapfa huku not verse ngoro mwaro this verse huku vambosokopfuri bagozirilated mumwe na mumwe arilated akarufuno but then that song wabasokomba nga love na ya muna na musidzana
inakodoyamba ngamini zvakuti
okay that song ndingadori I was like ana mwe dama ndomudhoera so I was ngaira take nakwamba na muzita even so dama ndomudhoera aidala zo gombana ka
okay
kazifro so era zitu zazikuitira zoitira rotoma ndichitia ndazviwanulusa then ende mzana zvakuma ndandichimufana zvakuma mara
first love
ngatozivisa zvese but then friendship yanga na wemjita ndandichiveluwa ufirisisa na zvine ndandinazvo nelamzana nawo ndisimufuna so ndolamjita then ndikobe Aubreyo ngopfumana mia vana pazvino namina zvote ndimubuza everything about ola musidzana kanti the guy ujia and namsikari gopfindo ndikoita zvinhu ngabva vumene namina zvote nditova ndabudza mtu mutingori ndimpinchi
bro I'm cheating on my girl
you see so zvambori
isokori
odisazonezvo nomga you see so ndazviwanulusa lamapongo ndichimawanulusa ndisiambe chitu ndavumuna adozviwanulusa later on uri vamukana ndonga ugozvidiva ende angwamba chiti ofumurana chisina chiti chiyazvoyamba so achitiwanulusa uri then ugodiva mapongo ambodiyamba like ila zvinezvo kunilanga ngomu uri vamukana ari kuchiya life ino malangeno
vanonlisa ngoda chivindi
you see olamukana munano so ambodiyamba ri muna ndopfa unowanulusa mapongo so ugozama uemail defender so rimamala zvosvikoitea ndikusikopfanga ri mini duri ugozama udidefende namina voti ndapfuma ndarira okay aona taidzo makarongombori after the door vaitia it's fine ndapfumura aisapana na vutama then this other day lakatotopfi utofumini ndatova wanedza like ndatova vona usiri vawanedza vakuita zvotura Like ndoboneza vachiko.
Ah, ikotombo angoboneza vako have sex. Zotura.
Ufana na mwimbi. Namukekera kubvisa track.
No, asiyezo. Okay.
Amini kuti mbakazwezo.
No, ndichizitela zithu. Zithu ndizore I like ndobona wala vhathu vachiko like vakukisana like.
Yeah.
Come on. And ngishfinga zukuitea. Because zukuitea uko celebrate birthday yanga.
Oh damn.
You see, now like I bought my chick.
Ndi pinchi yao. Best friend.
Yeah.
So ndingai ndini kuita so ndinenge ngura. Bono
kambira.
Mbiti.
Okay, bono kanga vakona mara na mina zotene para. Usiku manga vakukisana. Muba zambo ita feelings dzawela za avachadodova dzovuva ngori vokana. Abengo ndiori mutoka ambi waiti zvimwe zvine azviti. Ndozoti fungo defend no. Utobvisa zvine uvashono zviita ezi asangokambiwa. Ava kutomitori abvise la zvitu zambo akuti zambo pakadi. Ndazvibona ndapfumura. Zvine naita ndiyazvibona nditofumura. So yeah, so enda ndoima like in a distance so like ndikure so kuramba ngo like mutodzi warota mitodzi yanga iyarota nditofumura. So yasu ndazvibona
and then nyanga msadzi wa mrap pakani msizani mrap hapo kanichimba. My DM is open.
Zaidia wanduri let's just say yeah now know this is now ndasa kono upretenda usika but then nazo atongwamba ndopumura. I was like ambure then ndichinda kuita for me to ndiko the distance from the girl na the guy na mina zone. So this other day ndiko wana beat ko baka mutu kaimwe producer anga ila spinga no tuchera zvote. I was like dude ndingatori nandi has broken. Siko baba inside. So ndatuchera uima na ndingodova muthu ane ndaimba studio zokonzendera beat na a beat. Beat ndinyangori ni shume la beat chitoda and aunopera mwedzi la zvoite na ndinozoti azini la beat uko yandoneta tungingwara ufindo jira peni ndangomwana ndiyo mwaira muthu tekeza usipezela zvazodzura mbiuni zvingango ndizobona masato divukuruza. So I'm like all my send that beat same time you to ifela beat. I was like ulabutungu yena mfisao azote zena nyita zone ndirina nechibonita zone ondani mfisa zena mfisa zone nizidibori Ndo Neta. So nandikwamba na the guy ndasa kwamba na mtu amsizana. So I was like ela zena mfisa zone ndiko zvifa you like as a laughing stock nda uri musazi wanu ini asa ujiwa nga Brian na mina zote zamburi ni bari ni there ini ndishvinga. So mena kotambo ndichibonita zvene nyita zone ndizvo ndanotoneta ngori ndozvano musarotoma ene munhu adzakhali Aubrey achadodova zvaite na mina zote. So adova futi zamburi kana kuisa pamenda ndibvya ndaneta ndi mutu ndidoneta nduna itofi developisani friendship yanga naye ndibvya ndaneta sa mutu. So abori ngechipinga nangobva bibye mwantheke no pya chamfuna sakare ya pfanga nga alert nyago ambori collaboration yanga naye yo fixana. So achipa that's song ya dope ngamanda then alert yayo ndimthu abo didumera kasi around ngo obachi ajira pa so which abo opela theka ska boy niko ni blind mama redo ko to collaborate. So it comes out something big you collaborate la mona alert na ini
it was big at the time
after gasadia. So I was like okay artuwe vele cha studio no referani timubiza like studio cha mera chivera getting loud ndiko vasho artuwe studio na mina the ratio mana mina zote. So ndi hapo collaboration yanga. So kawala vathu mwana mu achirelate akorelate la form sizana nabo no relate la form jita karna cha verse ya hotel awona petu na utienda mbori baby kana mi avana kanda rini kela verse hotel simbezore ako before out ndandira
ngara be
so
nero kozia mbodo bzo Ndo Neta mamuna
so ndiyezoita mandasa ko beef ndako to ambori ndido unomfisa kutungu it's enough. So so ndiavoera richisvika studio ko mwana dzivese na mina vote waba aroficha namu kano cool drinks CD hapa ujura run vera pan no cool drinks
cool drizzy hey drizzy
he was over
making your beats, man.
Bidizanga Ziggy Kali, the guy on the mid age Medi-H.
Yeah, na Medi-H, yeah. What any Mangenge Mdini?
Oh.
Then
now when it comes to the bribe,
Lord aprendela kwamba yone yetu anga empty dash like a bit kaipi anga empty dash ita beat mbili ndiye nange inofumbo mbambeza
And what do you record this music when?
EP ndio record Medi-H what the whole EP ndio record Medi-H.
It's for sale online.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, online everywhere.
Yeah, everywhere. Spotify,
YouTube, Spotify, everything. iTunes.
ASA TEE.
Asa kundwi. Which is on the ASA. And then T.
Just for receive.
Space TEE.
Yeah.
Yeah. So is not a wrong one mkalai. Nichiko grave. Just go and play. Yeah, man, you did a remix for the song Ndo Neta. No, it's a touching song. It hits home. But why not on with a remix in na Razie Kay? Out of all people, like
Razie Kay was the remix.
Yeah, the remix. Okay, sorry. I remember the Ndo Neta, the original. We wrote so much. Ela song. Don't worry. Your pop punch my chance in the grade 12.
Yeah.
Like they record that year before. Yeah, do Monday a grade 12. So that's how to manage pinga na ina mina zote. So Zeti onduri Razie Kay obofa like ila song original. After the remix kale pinga. I want James Razie Kay ko tomorrow pop up. I feel like after the remix I wanna do pandari tadi. Ako ngandira
too much.
So I thought the remix. I thought the remix at awana asiwane ngori tune la video trend ya late. Amodwana alert. Was one. Asiwana late zinda
Alex is singing as well.
Yeah, you over feature wakati Ndo Neta
over feature wakati track.
So achimwana Germany utongo mutanga Germany bolo nenti atubana utanzi mando pesa ndo bana utanzi kitanga na Razie Kay. I'm just confirm. Nero zifanga mutu abawo nishpinga. The remix. By the remix ngori Daman over build the imagery the song ndi yawe asiyanga anita remix ngori achiwe studio zido farozo asiyeno imbao like zido humiliate na mina zote. So Razie Kay boro wana that remix ngori ona mtu arongo.
Okay. Oh, so the guy we are featuring on the play mo track and iko pop.
Iko pop up. Yeah, ndiyo zitea. So Saro visiraro zambura Razie Kay afero wana remix ngathani urombo dira ndiyazi atuke remix yetere kina mina mbodi. Ako bayro amburi muthu weimba uko yuna mina zote. Yeah, so zvichitea ndi apo Razie Kay achingwana later on ngona ndo dawela na ista DJ Blizzy chonomutera zibiti. So acho kwamburi but then achiwana opanga ngayenda ndaita ndote. Name emotional ndaita ndote. Yavori yako trend akazi TikTok na petsote so vele zamudim kota attention. No man, yetele kendi hela yenda the remix before ndi apo
remix da wana parody.
Ndi apo achimpainera. Achipana re muna ngor mini sa man right and sa man winya gori rishumela track Ndo Neta na mina zote. Espinga was like okay Razie Kay vele na ukuto fibini but vanyi bamdiwa and then abatu ndiva the way and they know the song ufirisa ngandi na divanga. So zamburu una fene zineza de Razie Kay no diva urimbo masa divini. So if that this remix na Razie Kay bido gaina mean all about fani ndikare ba konto daba sangwani na mina zote. So yeah ndi hapo remix collaboration nganga remix na Razie Kay ambu diva one.
And you were satisfied, right?
Yeah, never right.
You did a music video.
Yeah, right. Aku clip nyana ku promote that song.
Yeah, man. So niyo divanga manda on like when you realized, oh, bro, we're about to finish, right? I think we're not best man. Yo, when you realized, hey guys, but what was this man? How did you feel at that moment? You said, hey, Ndo Neta like I'm even getting, I'm even getting like 15 likes.
Yeah.
Actually, Bobaga 2 likes.
Wako DJ I.
I say, hey, Mr. Ndo Neta.
Zina hapa ndo zandu kwa number 4.
Wako Mr. Ndo Neta, neti is.
Kama neti is badowe. Yeah. Nenda sato tena the way uri. That's to understand the but vandiwa na mina zote. Jesu to durizo vishitia zomangaza ibile.
Okay.
Ndiko manga ndiko muda lengo ndiko receive call from mtu wa muzara wa family ane buzara woni bukure nyana. Uko phone uri ndiko fanyi umpumalanga. Uri ndiko fa urimbo lwazo no Ndo Neta na mina zote luko ira ngapa. Okay, asani dozuru wa imba marimbo na sitwana butanzuri ndiyeni ulimbona. Mara ndiko zwifana no no ito fini. wewe mtano kuimba hapa ndi mzwara wanga na mina zote ukubiri fast timbora watu bakulufuna lokufanga watu bazimwe zichaka na mina vote kenda okay zamburi Mpumalanga mde ndiko mangali nguduva ndiko wana call iko va ka ndikamiyanga bakufuna baba ntuni ma baba Jimmy Stein bangufonela from Jimmy Stein but ngofira umwe petu ndikofukuriza nyimbo zani bati votakala lumwe na mina zote like wow zamburi watu bako takaya nyimbo la then neti tingokoma tozibona before music angawase online aita vila so pfindi ku upload ka data file host to tokofana mina zote une zidownloadirwa nepo zambuzo zodwa ngatweni bana ndibana mina zote so this ndikodi bangamanda media ndine wari kandi isemzika online na mina zote then ra register everything then ndiko check the states zinozuwa ndiko unamba ndiko okay unamba tu again bako techeresa from Pretoria from Joburg then lingo ndiko mangala Zingo ufe unamtu nichiresa wa USA Germany zambo pa Venda ba USA bako mfan ndiko dire na mina zote then lingo na makuwa ndambo ndije naka lingo ndani na TikTok ngeto muita TikTok this atina ningwezi mingana ita TikTok ndiko mali ngo ndoje naka TikTok ndiko sechori Ndo Neta pula ka TikTok ndiko maro apa tubanje beito video nga teka ne Ndo Neta ne pa and here slow yamsi ndindote wow zambori this one big zambori ndandije naka TikTok I think atingo Kuya pesa hivi ngapana so komangano sikisabo ma 2000 followers ngapina chitukutuku na so I'm about they waiting for womutu I mean azo denda kuna zona somebody about out there bandiwa kumangala mutu ndiko jena tabani molo ndiko asa kumdo for 19 zasiko ngenda sa tembe so kudu ndi asa ndi soko
I hope aniko body such nepe ndo kaza ngafuduna watu
no ndifunesa watu ndikapitombra kazi ati zombori mune do riso unga mtu mwana mongo ati nyagu ro jasa artist ni ndi mwana mongo ndi friend la mwana unkarugo fi rosika gigini kazi VIP ne karugo fuko perform mtanenda mbiva uri ndibe na that vibe na nienda atenda ndima ka general uri ndibe ndiko do fan na mina like ati tenda uri zvinenda vazo nezvintu ise zvinenda vazo ne futhi zonyago utakana mina support abango bathu
man basic questions must have go pedza ne I want to ask you like some few basic questions number one tino what ndez radio ni tino radio ni mtu work program of nto yamba hiso ngamba hiso asiko ba comment na radio give us the artist ine comes na 4 year so ngamba qualified because no the ambo qualified mina mina today no the ambo on span qualified obvious nyoge mana qualified but other than qualified we know nyoge mana qualified other than qualified ndimo pia mo artist and Aubreaction is don't tangana qualified but other than qualified ndimo pia mo artist and also yo ndaye mbana wende fondi shop
the prefix
ma onya ga store muna ngoti
no yeah the guy who blind the storytelling na mina zo and neka kamuzika wanga munji ndibandi stonga ndiko taudichedza chitori ngore diita zvinezo iti akane kana zvinda zvivona ndazvi ndimani express a feeling and amane kara ku amba chitori naye uba express tora ngasitozito zvimbudza ngouri rudzani ndinye ngwana rudzani kumari ati zaite so
kana rudzani
kana rudzani so the guy who the professor kara go pi mina ro collaborator like ndomufarira huko na verse ya dope na mina afaradzi verse ingava top like
so
ndio utevera ngama defend ya kula
ukutomba EP hapa nomufarira dzi verse ra dzinto like it's a major EP
so ndamani
nah it's good I'm going to tell him today but yeah man another basic question mara before I talk basic question pesa lati ingwe pesa umnoko la sharp ngomna of magazi wako daini boka umnoko la sharp Kombra producer nandi ayimba bana.
No, atina girlfriend. Ari ngoti okay, nazori chinetia chimwe chono wisa the artist ni ari mutu wana kubusoro wanga mini ngori na muzika ukadivisa mara ava owa. Umixa business na pleasure. Lazo azitode. Ngondi ori karari mme that lazo so like zoso ko toziyambisani. To fuck around na baza na vote na zifeni.
You get one with fuck, then another one fuck.
Okay, ngondi ori ndingawana fene 19 ngaito ndigene fene za 15.
Yeah.
So zvambori kari unamumuzana ne dakani yako danga rwa muzika naenda kana avuri vele konkrasha ngori akonkrasha ngori ndi asa konkrasha ngori ndi ASA TEE na mina zote. So arari nenda mbodi ndapfana naye kanda mutamba. Sambori akitoa chake la fene za 15 zedza ndivanga ntani yaye ukwabuza uri mini olambukana asukana azinyimbo zawe ngoko ndizoro mukwembera ngalufuna ukwamba mini ngori ubaisa bantu sambori kava la vhathu va 15 huna muthu ane o ngenisa fene dza 5 sambori wo lokho budza wo labudza sambori image yanga iko sara
I get you.
yeah nduri ndo yeah kezo nduri ndo tsisa chirunzi changa so yeah
Watch the fence, man.
So-
The fence.
Yes.
Our fans, our friends.
you see so
Friends
see.
of Beach and Chill.
so
Yeah, man.
there's avoid those
Our meet and chill question. Give us your top 5 musicians, top vision Venda. Your top 5. Usinanda abantu mrapa kandi mwimbi kandi min.
And afterwards, just quick thank you to the fans.
And then you can also
message
to the fans or whatsoever.
Okay,
But first, top 5.
top 5
Yeah.
yanga ni didalisa cool fellow so cool fellow
Yeah, alphabetical na izo tangana.
No problem.
Alphabetical whatsoever.
lingebi yanga order umbuka tumika number 5
Yeah, number 5.
ari tumika number 5
Number five.
tumika number 5
Yebo.
number 5 ndingaiva this guy ufing
Oh, angwiwa.
no ati ndikuti pavesheya mwanga ukofira mu ndingaipa number 5 yanga ndingaipa this guy Chris Bang
Okay, Chris Ben.
yeah
Number 5.
yeah
Yes. Hey, he's dangerous.
number 4 yanga ndingaipa this guy Razie Kay.
Razie Kay? Okay.
Razie Kay kakafunyanga ndingana nyimbo zawo dzinofirisa za artist ngwana like before muzika wawo ndi utevera ngama
Yeah, number 4. Razie Kay. Number 3.
number 3 ndingaipa Meske
MSK.
yeah
Mara udah dimba. Kau udah chafala.
Rekanamba mi kotaka number
Kau number 2.
Joles.
Uko jola ngom muzika.
then
Ela gode ya renge le komjulis.
then number 2 yanga ndingaipa jar play
Okay. Zilba number 2.
then number 1 yanga ndi cool fair
Cool fair. So number hapa mtinozo. Did you notice? Number hapa mtipet. Let's get to it. Message to the fans.
fene zanga ndingadori okay ndingatwa kuzori ndiko support like each and every day ndiko checka the stats hapa ka ndiko kwa the weekly recap nga Apple Music na Spotify those bezori baba banane nduri nandoguma visa EP nyazi 8 za March rather na release last month like over 8 March usikana release out ngazi 8 za March mara atiko byanda bona zimbalo ziko utsa ziko rogonya yeah
man.
ndingari
So,
something ndiko very well that
Thank
is
you very
big
much.
man is big man ndo city west
Jo guys noliba ngadara kama zonga manda tena.
at this ni but mara ngazi 16 za December na event yanga yo like it's more like we celebrate the EP na bizanga 8 za March ria na 6 za December chichishura hapa la popire na resort hapa la popire
Okay.
next week last days hapa
And artist neza kudange.
jar player mara una show yao mara ridonda like nani ndiyo ka show yao so
Yeah.
bita so
Okay, no problem. Je guys ndio for Aubreymangenge. This one is ASA TEE. ASA konde tere. Muziki wanga wana ongona basuka basoko. Kana bajina ka shezemo badumwana, bajina ka ichunzo badumwana, Deezer badumwana, Facebook badumwana. Ane phone banga phone baganya ko phone muziki badumwana. Tena for Aubreymangenge. Mr. Aubreaction and we are out.
Yeah.